Chris Aarons here with Grundgy, pinned by Benny Keys. Let's see, lock works pretty smooth. There is the bidding on this key. It's 3600 American. So let's pin it. Let's vise it up and see what I can do. Let me get this one. And maybe the DeForest. Yep. How many is that? 5. Yep. I counted 5, so we'll see. Start the back. And kind of a tight fit. Maybe that'll hold. Alright. Let's see. 4 is binding. 3. Couple of clicks. On 1. That tension wrench ain't gonna work there. Let's try this side. Maybe that side will work. I think that was 4 and 3. We'll click on 2. Get something overset. Alright, there's a little false set on off of 1. A little counter on 5 here. There we go. 5 still talking. There it is. Open on 5. Alright. Well, I'm going to go ahead and lock that back up. Alright. That was pretty good there. I think that 3 is really low. I think that's what I overset the first time. So what is it? Phillips. Alright, there that goes, and got a clip there. There's that clip. And then we'll open it back up, and it's got that groove there. I'm gonna run a shim in there. Try to. Oh yeah, I went right in there. All right, and that is. That little end is in the way. Maybe that shim will buy me enough room. So, yep, got me enough room there. Alright, well it's a 6-pin plug pinned up 5. And let's see what's in the top. And I believe this is the first Benny Keys lock that I've picked. So 1 is standard, 2 is serrated, 3 is a kind of a serrated spool, 4 is a serrated. Come out there. And 5 is a serrated spool. That spring don't want to come out of there. Let's see if I've got a come out of there. I see you. There we go. Alright, so let's take a look at the top, and it looks like the top is clean. Alright, I'm going to pull this out. We'll put the pins in at rest. Stay up there. There we go. Alright, so that's what we got. Number 1 was standard. Number 2 is a serrated, which catches several serrations. A serrated spool. And you got this spool that's set deep. That's a lot of play there. And then this serrated spool. Alright, I'll dump these key pins out. Take a look at that plug, and then we'll look at these key pins. See what Benny Keys done up. There we go. Looks like the plug is, looks like the plug's clean. No modifications there. All the springs are the same, brass. Zoom in. Alright, number 1 is this focus. Nice serrated. There we go. Really nice serrated. Kind of reduced there halfway. That's really nice. 2 is a nice serrated with serrated key pin. 3 has a serrated key pin. This serrated spool. Serrated key pin with a spool. And this nice little serrated spool. Almost maybe a little reduced there on the end. Very sharp right there on the end. Nice little catch. So that's what I have here. in this non-focus. There we go. And this focused now. Benny Keys, Grundgy, American lock. So I got that from Super Llama. So thank you, Super Llama, for sending me the lock. Thank you, Benny Keys, for making this. It was a fun pick. Number 3 was pretty tricky there. And very nice serrations on them. Very good job. So y'all, thanks for watching. Be legal, and God bless.